this super stadium for a super club, truly one of the iconic buildings of 21st century sport, the Allianz Arena. So, Jim Begley, the first really big game of the European calendar compared to your city. Which is James Carson, having players develop the fitness for the upcoming season, with personnel to guarantee. Of course you want that. The coaches are big on both teams have to step up mentally and physically. This will really let the ball in the long-term competition. Yeah, first Van Dijk, he's just about unbeatable in every department. He's strong, he's quick, he's tough. That's a start. Contribution from the main man. I had a feeling he might do something given his reputation, but to do it like that, absolutely brilliant. I wasn't expecting that. That's how you play.